Hello lovelies, today we are going to go over the different colors of the rainbow. The first color is red, R-E-D, red. This color is more of an angry color when you're upset or mad. The next color is going to be blue, B-L-U-E, blue. This color is more of a sad color when you're upset or you want to cry. Next color is the color yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. This color is when you're happy and in a good mood. You feel like dancing. Let's go. The next color is the color green, G-R-E-E-N, green. This is more of a calm color, a relaxing color. Maybe you want to go to sleep, who knows? Next color is the color purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. This color is for when you're scared or nervous. Scary! The next color is the color orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. This color is for when you're excited. Maybe you're ready to party. Let's go. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Well, that's it. I hope you guys had fun learning your colors today. We learned about red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. See you guys later. Bye.